pag sinabi small childhood, what comes to mind?
Childhood, I always play with my sisters.
Saan? Naalala mo?
House, we make bahay-bahayan, cooking.
Ang bahay ay nasa noon?
We were in Nueva Ecija at the time.
Tama, oo.
And then we moved to Manila during the high school.
So that's your memory of childhood. It was happy.
I was so happy during the childhood days.
Pero, small, bata ka pa lamang, gusto mo nang sumikat, mag-artista.
There was a time, Tito Boy, gusto ko talagang sumikat. And then, I sent this biodata kay Kuya Germs.
Nagpadala ka?
Nagpadala ako, Tito Boy. And I think hindi nakarating kay Tito Boy kasi biodata lang. And nakastamp pa yun yung mga 1 month bago makarating yung
Pero
mga
hindi
mail.
kayo magkakilala ni Kuya
No,
Germs.
no.
Nagpadala ka lang.
Nagpadala
Ang
lang
gusto
ako.
mo, makapasok saan?
I want
That's
to host.
Entertainment ba yun?
No,
Or
not That's Entertainment.
GMA Super Show?
GMA Super Show. Kasi naka-gown every week.
Okay.
I like that.
Ayun yung gusto mo.
Oo, yung naka-gown. Sila Shawi, si Gretch.
Pero
Dawn.
noong tatama, the most beautiful women in show business
The
during that
most
time.
beautiful women.
Tama ka, Gretchen, Dawn.
Gretchen, Dawn, Jackie Lou. Oh my
Right.
God, they're all Shawi. Hi,
Right.
Shawi.
Okay, pero natupad ito kahit papano noong 2022 because you did a cameo role sa Mano Po Legacy.
Yes.
Sa pelikulang
Yes.
yun. How
Yes.
was that experience?
Tito Boy, okay, Rochelle Monteverde was there the whole time.
Kaibigan natin.
And I said, Rochelle, ayoko yung mga magme-memorize, at saka yung long wait. So, okay, sige. Mga 4 to 5 hours ka lang. So, that was a 3-day shoot. Pero, Tito Boy, I did the 2 days lang. Kasi, Tito Boy, napagod ako the next day. So, sabi ko, ibahin na lang yung script. Kasi I was supposed to have massage and spa with Aiko Melendez on the 3rd day.
Alright.
So, parang na-cancel na lang yung spa namin.
Pero nagkaroon ka pa rin ng mga eksena with Aiko kasi napanood ko yan
Aiko,
eh.
yeah, and Beauty Gonzalez.
Right,
Oh, they're so
oo.
magaling.
Lumabang ka naman.
Ay, lumaban ako as small laude. But Beauty Gonzalez was like 6 a.m. to 6, parang 6 a.m. to another 6 a.m. Tito Boy, umiiyak, tumatawa, naglulupas. I memorized some lines and so I said, oh my gosh, I cannot do this. The emotions are so like, it varies, ha? My God.
Pero alam mo ba, Small, kaya mo yan.
Tito Boy, I think kaya ko.
Kaya mo. Oo, Vilmanian ka.
Vilmanian
Alam
ako.
ko yun. Alam
Yes.
niyo, gusto niyo bang subukan namin?
Ate V! Okay.
Subukan natin.
Okay.
Paano ba mangarap ang pelikula ni Ate V? Merong mga ilang linyahan dito. Bigay mo, ha?
Bigay
Kasi
ko.
nanonood ngayon ang management ng GMA7.
Oh.
Parang naghahanap sila
Baka
ng...
the next day I have mga offers.
Meron yan, Small.
Ate V, okay, watch out.
Okay. Chang Susan.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Dinaya niyo ka! Mga traitor kayo! Traitor kayong lahat!
Lisa, huminahon ka. Baka mapaano ang bata.
Wala akong pakialam. Ibalik niyo sa akin si John John. Ibalik niyo. John John! John John! John John, yung anak ko, ibalik niyo. Kasi guys,
Kasi...
di ba eksena nun? Si Ate V nahulog sa stairs.
Right.
Oh my God, Ate V, I love you. Pero worry. Kasi nandito na ako. Baka pangtangos yung acting ko, Ate V.